Hello students, the question is a column of water with xylem vessels of tall trees does not break under its weight because of A. Lignification of xylem vessels, B. Positive root pressure, C. Dissolved sugars in water, D. Tensile strength of water. So बच्चे water moves from roots to the upper part of a plant through xylem. And the main conducting element here are the trachea elements that helps in transport of water by creating a water column. And three different types of forces. Three different forces are involved that creates the water column. First one is cohesion. Second one is adhesion. And the third one is surface tension. Now, what is cohesion? Cohesive forces क्या है? The forces that apply the one water molecule have with another water molecule. That is the force between the two water molecule is called cohesive force, and this creates a capillary action water column to move water upside, move from the roots to the upper part of the plant. That this is because of cohesive force, and the plants can bear approximately 100 atmosphere of pressure to move the water molecule, and this column of a water is maintained because of a adhesive force that is between the adhesive force occur between the water molecule and ट्रैकी एलिमेंट्स के बीच में जो फोर्स होगी दैट इज एडेसिव फोर्स. एंड द थर्ड फोर्स इज फॉर हाई कैपिलरी एक्शन. हाई कैपिलरी एक्शन के लिए कौन सा फोर्स है? दैट इज सरफेस टेंशन. एंड नाउ दिस कोहेसिव फोर्स इज आल्सो नोन एज, theoretically it is known as tensile strength of water that applies between two water molecules that creates the water column. So water जो transport हो रहा है tall plants में through xylem in trachea elements is because of cohesive force that creates a column, and that cohesive force is also known as tensile strength of water molecules. So the correct answer here is option D. Thank you.